Imagine driving home late at night, and out of nowhere, boom! A pothole rattles your car. Your undercarriage is broken. It's not just annoying and costly, it's dangerous.
Across the US annually, there's over 2 million crashes due to road management related issues. And that's over $3 billion in insurance claims that are filed. The thing is, over 80% of potholes and other road related anomalies go unreported every year.
We are Eric Dai,
Vaibhav Sitaraman,
and Sreethan Gangavarapu from Edison Academy Magnet School in Edison, New Jersey.
RoadWatch is a low-cost, AI-powered road intelligence platform that automatically detects hazards through dashcam footage and delivers prioritized reports directly to Public Works Department. We call it the road system. Recognize anomalies on the road through dashcam footage, observe their location and severity, analyze the data holistically, and deliver structured reports directly to the government.
To get started, most modern dashcams can pair with RoadWatch through Bluetooth. An alternative is a cheap $50 equivalent, which we developed with an Articam wide-angle camera, Raspberry Pi, and batteries. Once you begin driving, RoadWatch uses the dashcam's live feed to detect and alert anomalies on the road. It can detect potholes, road cracks, malfunctioning traffic lights, obstructions on the road, and defaced roadway markings.
Your detections are accessible on both our mobile app and website, which is connected through SMS authentication. Data across months of road trips is aggregated, and a formal report of every anomaly is sent to the offices of Public Works. With the help of traffic data and estimated repair costs, RoadWatch assigns a severity level to each anomaly, which suggests the most efficient way for the government to tackle road maintenance. This data-driven approach offers a new level of consistency over word-of-mouth maintenance done today.
Not only does RoadWatch protect road conditions, it can protect the driver in real time as well. If an anomaly detected is critical, such as deer or debris lying on the street, RoadWatch notifies the driver through auditory instruction.
Our model is backed by the work of researchers at Google and the NIH.
Our as-is strategy canvas shows us the current red ocean landscape clearly. Municipalities, dashcam manufacturers, and navigation platforms like Google Maps each perform well within their own narrow domain, but drop off sharply outside of it. No player combines drivers, governments, and insurers into one intelligence system, leaving the most critical columns flatlined across the board.
Using the 3 tiers of non-customers, we expand far beyond traditional municipal clients. The first tier captures frustrated drivers who never report hazards because existing systems are inconvenient. The second unlocks insurance companies and fleet operators absorbing billions in preventable claims that haven't been offered a data solution addressing the root cause. The third reaches rural counties and international organizations like the UN Capital Development Fund that lacks inspection resources entirely.
the buyer utility map reveals why none of these groups are served today. At the delivery stage, data never reaches the decision makers with repair authority. At the use stage, every existing solution demands human action with no passive alternative. And at the supplement stage, no existing tool combines traffic data, weather patterns, and repair cost estimates to contextualize hazard severity. RoadWatch fills every one of these gaps, tapping into over 230 million licensed US drivers, plus insurers and public agencies globally. This market space is new, the value curve is uncontested, and demand is high.
RoadWatch's curve diverges sharply from the as-is landscape, spiking on the exact factors where every competitor flatlines. Our eliminate, reduce, raise, and create grid explains why. We eliminate manual reporting, the mechanism all 3 existing players depend on, and siloed data systems that keep footage, complaint logs, and navigation data from those with repair authority. We reduce data collection costs across hardware, crowdsourcing, and personnel, and hazard response time by bypassing complaint cycles and inspection schedules entirely. We raise AI accuracy for road analysis, real-time detection beyond live traffic flagging, and predictive analytics beyond traffic patterns, applying all 3 specifically to road defects and infrastructure hazards. And finally, we create a proactive infrastructure maintenance pipeline that automatically delivers severity scored reports directly to Public Works without any human intermediary, and cross-stakeholder integration that connects drivers, governments, and insurers in one unified system, 2 capabilities that exist nowhere in the current landscape.
Our model generates revenue through 3 streams. Hardware sales at $79 retail against $50 production cost, municipal SaaS subscriptions at $299 per month, which is a fraction of one inspection crew's daily cost, and insurance data licensing at $3 per vehicle per month, giving insurers route-specific road condition intelligence they currently have no way to access. A single county rollout alone represents over $180,000 in annual recurring revenue. In addition, grants from programs like US DOT's SMART initiative and international organizations like the UN Office for Project Services validate our model and de-risk early scaling, ensuring commercial viability from day one.